Are you looking for a spokesperson for your next video project? Choose from a wide variety of animated spokespersons, just like me. Representing different age groups, ethnicities, professions and backgrounds. Customize hairstyles, clothing and accessories, to create the perfect avatar for your business, brand, product or service. Select colors for everything including skin tone, clothing, jewelry and accessories. Give your avatar a fresh look for every video, or reuse the same one over and over. And now for the cool part. With our state-of-the-art logo mapping technology, we can brand various avatars with your logo. Unlike other apps, the logo is baked into the avatar and moves precisely with the avatar's movements, for a more realistic effect. You have total control. All we need is a script. Send us your script, or we can write one for you. We can speak in over 60 languages and dialects. Our voiceover generator can speak in and translate to any language, with a click of the mouse. We have recently upgraded our voices to have emotions and neural inflections added, for more lifelike speech. No need to pay for actors, voiceovers or studio time when an animated avatar is more cost-effective. Contact us to get yours today.